Now here I am in this sort of a bakery. Selling baked buns and some donuts over there. And one time I ordered this bun over here, and the price was 35, or at least that's what they showed over there. So I gave the lady 35 20 Taiwanese dollars, and she said no, it's only no. So I gave her 35, and she returned 15, saying that no, it's just 20 dollars. Let's try this. Looks like it's got some vegetables inside. Wow. Just like this. Wow, it's really good. I missed the bread. Oh, sorry. I missed the bread, and this bun is really nice. Too hot. And some vegetables inside. I think there's no meat. Really good. $20 NT. Wow. I think I'm gonna buy another one. Or maybe get the other kind of buns they put over there. I wish they had these for breakfast at the hotel. Really, really good. Alright, I finished this all by myself. It's me now. In Taichung, Taiwan. Out. $20. Oh, this is $20. Okay. I'm gonna get one. So what? Yeah, the pastry they had over there. This 20 has a gravy short. It's not as good as the other one, but it's pretty hot. It's got some sesame seed on it. This is gonna be filling. And this is my dinner for today. Noodles, pastries, and that vegetable bun. Well, I'm full. Let's go for a walk. I'll be eating this while walking. Not bad at all. It's me. Signing out.